This is DJI Mic, DJI's first wireless audio system for creators looking to record crystal clear audio on the go. DJI Mic comes with two transmitters, each with built-in microphones. Both transmitters support omnidirectional audio and built-in storage, making them ideal for multi-person interviews and small studio operations. Its one receiver has a built-in touchscreen display that gives you easy access to channel selection, input-output settings, and other essential operations. Its charging case is a perfect home for DJI Mic. With it, you'll receive a total of 15 hours of battery life. Both the transmitters and the receiver will automatically pair as soon as you open the case, meaning you'll be ready to record exceptional audio in seconds. DJI Mic is ultra portable, and you can conveniently attach a transmitter to whatever you're wearing via the integrated back clip or by using the clip magnets, making recording hands-free video very easy. Weighing around 30 grams, wearing this transmitter is comfortable and seamless. The optimized wireless transmission system ensures a stable stream of audio even in areas as train stations, shopping malls, and offices. Using DJI's latest encryption technology, DJI Mic is capable of recording crisp audio at distances up to 250 meters. DJI Mic is vastly compatible with a wide range of devices. The receiver has USB-C, Lightning, and a 3.5mm TRS ports, making it perfect for mainstream smartphones, cameras, laptops, as well as DJI products like DJI Ronin 4D, DJI Pocket 2, and DJI Action 2.